guys, this is me, Jamie Rose, singing vegan mum. Quick tip for today: what to do with herbs. If you've got loads and loads of herbs and you can't finish them, well, what to do with it? Dry them. Let me show you. So my fruit store holder friend gave me this mint. It has seen better days. Bits of it are wilting, bits of it are black. He said, do you want it? I said, I'll take it. You know why? I'm going to pick all the bits that are still good and still fresh looking, rinse this all off, and then dry it. Beautiful and dry. Look, I had this on all night on a really low heat. So guys, the finished result. Here are the herbs, dried, beautiful, and tasting just as beautiful. Beautiful, minty, dried, and tasting absolutely exquisite. Little tip for today: don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.